Here's how to change the terminal theme on a Mac. So open up the terminal app, and from here in the menu bar, you can click terminal settings, or you can just click command comma, and then it'll probably open up to the general tab. Go to the profiles tab, and from here, you're able to open up various profiles, as they call it, or themes, and you can see the different color schemes and fonts. And let's say you find one on a blog or YouTube video. So in this case, I'll use the Nord theme. That's a pretty popular one. And what you're looking for on GitHub is a .terminal file. So navigate to that, download it, and then go back to the terminal profiles, and you click on these three dots down here, import, downloads. You can see the Nord.terminal file. Open that up. It'll import it as a new profile or theme, whichever term you want to use. And so there it is. And I'll do it with one more. So the Solarized theme, I already did this, so I know it's the third link here. And you can see the .terminal file, download that, go back to the terminal profile settings, import, and then Solarized Dark. And then you can open that one up. You can open up a bunch of these, compare them. It's also easy to change the colors, change the font sizes, things like that. You can press Command plus, will make it larger font, Command minus, smaller font. And then once you've figured out which one you want to use, you can set that as the default. So that way any new terminal window will open up with that theme. And then they're also easy to delete. So if you want to clean these up, if you downloaded a bunch, easy to do a soft delete. So if you click the minus, that one disappeared. If you accidentally delete one, easy to get it back with Command Z. So hope that helps.